Hi friends, good morning. Today let us take up some problems in permutations and combinations, which is an important concept for all competitive exams. See, in how many ways n different things or n different letters or n different persons can be arranged or can be permuted. That is n factorial. N different things can be rearranged or permuted in n factorial ways. This is a first basic point for us for today's problems. In how many ways the letters of the word rainbow, in how many ways the letters of the word rainbow can be rearranged? Here in the word rainbow, all the 7 letters are different letters. N things are permuted or rearranged in n factorial ways. So, in the word rainbow, there are 7 different letters. These 7 different letters can be rearranged in 7 factorial ways. 7 factorial is equal to 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is equal to 6, 24, 120, 720, 7 into 720, 5040. So, the letters of the word rainbow, the letters of absolutely there is no condition. Simply, in how many ways the letters of the word rainbow can be rearranged? In rainbow, there are 7 letters. 7 letters are different letters. So, these 7 letters can be rearranged in 7 factorial ways. That comes to 540. That is our first question, friends. And now the second question is, in how many ways the letters of the word rainbow can be rearranged so that or such that vowels come together. So, vowels come together. We don't want all the permutations. We want those permutations where vowels come together. Here small condition is given. So, here how many vowels are there? A, I, O. 3 vowels are there and 4 consonants are there. R, N, D, W. 4 consonants are there. In total, we have 5 units, 5 different things, like 5 different things. These 5 different things can be rearranged in 5 factorial ways. Here we are considering the 3 vowels as one unit because all the 3 vowels must be together, must come together. So, let us consider all the 3 vowels as one unit and 4 consonants are there. So, in total we have 5 units. These 5 units can be permuted, rearranged in 5 factorial ways. After that, these 3 vowels can be internally permuted. Again, these 3 vowels can be internally permuted in 3 factorial ways. 3 letters can be 3 factorial ways. Internally permutation means all the three vowels will be at the same place. All the three vowels will be at the same place, but A, I, O, I, A, I, A, O, I, O, E, I, O, I, O, A, like that. So these three vowels can again be internally permuted in 3 factorial ways. So total 5 factorial 120 into 3 factorial 6 into 120, 720 ways. So this is the second case where vowels come together. So all the three vowels we have taken as one unit and 4 consonants, in total 5 units. 5 units can be permuted in 5 factorial ways, and these 3 vowels can be internally permuted in 3 factorial ways. So in total we have 720 arrangements. So let us see the next problem. In how many ways the letters of the word rainbow can be rearranged such that vowels never come together? See the total permutations which you have just now, that is 5040. These total permutations include vowels come together and vowels never come together. So we have total permutations 5040. Out of these 5040 permutations, arrangements, 720 arrangements are where vowels come together. We have just seen that problem in the previous problem. So total 5040 permutations. Out of 5540 permutations, 720 permutations are there where vowels come together. So the remaining arrangements are the permutations where vowels never come together. So 0, 2, 3, 4, 4320. So in how many ways the rainbow letters can be rearranged so that vowels never come together? So total permutations minus vowels come together. So the result gives us the permutations, the arrangements where vowels never come together. So your answer is 4320. This is one thing. And let us see one more problem, one thing. In how many ways the letters of the word rainbow can be arranged such that no two vowels come together? So here there is a small condition is given. Friends, there is a difference between this problem and previous problem. In the previous problem, all vowels never come together. Here in the present problem, no two vowels come together. So condition is given for vowels. There is no condition for consonants. How many consonants are there? 4 consonants are there. Let us arrange the consonants first. The 4 R, N, B, W. These four consonants can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. Now we have to arrange these 3 vowels. Condition is what? What is the condition? No two vowels come together. So you have to place these 3 vowels here. So you have 5 places. And you have 3 vowels. If you place these 3 vowels in any of 3 places, then no two vowels come together. So you have 5 places. You have 5 places. You have to arrange 3 vowels. So 3 vowels can be arranged in 5 places. 3 vowels can be arranged in 5 places in 5p3 ways. So the total number of ways, 4 factorial means 24 into 5p3. 5p3 npr is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. 5 factorial by 5 minus 3 factorial, that is 2 factorial. So you know the formula npr. npr is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. N factorial by n minus r factorial. So 24 into 2 factorial means 2. 2 into 12. 12 into 5 factorial 120. 12 into 120 1440. So 1440 ways. 1440 ways. So no 2 vowels come together. No 2 vowels come together. So the condition is given for vowels. First you arrange the consonants. These are consonants. These are consonants. First you arrange the 4 consonants. Here you can write vowels. So first you arrange these 4 consonants. 4 consonants can be arranged in 4 different consonants can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. Now you have 5 places for 3 vowels. Now you have 5 places for 3 vowels. So these 3 vowels can be arranged in the available 5 places. In 5p3 ways. 5p3 is equal to 5 factorial by 5 minus 3 factorial. This is equal to 12 into 120, 1440 ways. This is another important problem. So this problem you have to do like this. Okay, let us see the next problem. In how many ways the letters of the word detail. In how many ways the letters of the word detail can be arranged such that vowels occupy odd places. Vowels occupy odd places. We have 6 letters. We have 6 places. 6 letters, 6 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 3 vowels. E, A, I. E, A, I. So vowels must occupy odd places. How many odd places are there? 1, 2, 3. Here, here, here. So we have to arrange these 3 vowels. We have to arrange these 3 vowels in these 3 places. 3 vowels can be arranged in 3 places in 3 factorial ways. So vowels are arranged. Vowels are arranged in odd places. First place, third place, fifth place. We have 3 places, 3 odd places. We have 3 letters. So 3 letters can be arranged in these 3 places in 3 factorial ways. Now we have to arrange the consonants. The remaining consonants D, T, L. These 3 consonants can be arranged in the remaining 3 places. Second place, fourth place and sixth place. So 3 consonants can be arranged in the remaining 3 places in 3 factorial ways. 3 factorial 6, 3 factorial 6, 6 into 6. 36 is your answer. 36 is your answer. Next. In how many ways the letters of the word failure can be arranged so that consonants occupy odd places. Consonants occupy odd places or vowels occupy odd anything. So here how many vowels are there? A, I, U, E. So how many consonants are there? F, L, R. F, L, R. So we have 7 letters. We have 7 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here how many odd places are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 odd places are there. 4 odd places are there. So in how many ways? First let us arrange the vowels. Vowels occupy odd places. Vowels occupy odd places. So how many odd places are there? 4 odd places are there. 4 odd places and 4 letters, that is 4 factorial ways. Into, now in the remaining 3 blanks, second blank, fourth blank and sixth blank. In the remaining 3 blanks, 3 consonants can be filled in 3 factorial ways. 4 factorial is 24, 34 into 3 factorial is 6, 24 into 6, 144 ways is your answer. In how many ways the letters of the word failure can be rearranged such that vowels occupy odd places. There are 4 odd places. There are 4 vowels. 4 vowels can be arranged in these 4 odd places in 4 factorial ways. So in the remaining 3 consonants can be rearranged in the 3 even places in 3 factorial ways. 4 factorial 3 factorial is equal to 144. That is your answer. Now let us see one more problem here. In how many ways the letters of the failure can be rearranged so that consonants occupy odd places. So 4 odd places, 3 consonants. 3 consonants can be arranged in 4 places in 4p3 ways. Right friends? So 4 odd places. In these 4 odd places, 3 consonants must present in odd places. 4 odd places are there. 3 consonants can be arranged in the 4 blanks in 4p3 ways. Now we have to arrange these in the remaining 4 places. 3 places are filled, and now we have 4 places are remaining. 4 vowels have to be filled in 4 factorial ways. 4p3 means 4 factorial by 4 minus 3, 1 factorial into 4 factorial. 4 factorial is 24, 4 factorial 24, 24 into 24, 576 ways. So now for this question, consonants occupy odd places. Your answer is 576 ways. Okay friends, let us see some more problems in our next video. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.